Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've got another nail design video. I'll be creating a black and white nail design, and the main inspiration in today's video was the glitter used. So it is one of those glitters where when I ordered it, I wasn't too happy when it came because I was expecting like a matte black kind of glitter, but this one that came has this gorgeous rainbow reflection to it, and I just had to create something with it, and I'm really happy how this one came out. I think it came out so nice. I hope you guys like it too. But this set does have a lot going on. It has crystals, glitters, foils, yeah, just the whole lot basically. So I'm quite excited to show you guys how it came out, and I hope you guys like it too. But yeah, so as you saw in the video, I've already buffed my press-on nails. I also applied some nail cleaner, and I also applied my base coat. And now that it has gone into the lamp and it's back out, we can start applying our colours. So like I said, it will be a white and black kind of nail design. The white nails are going to be the middle and the ring finger, and the rest of them are going to be black. I believe that the white gel polish that I am using is from Macart. Absolutely love that company. And then the black that I am using is from Vanillisa. I'm not sure if you guys saw, but I did recently do a Macart haul video, and oh goodness guys, their gel polishes are absolutely magical. I am so obsessed with those. I'm so sorry if you see me using them in almost every single video now. I promise the phase will eventually stop, but right now they're just new in my collection and they just work so nicely and they're so easy to work with, so I've just been grabbing them non-stop. So I'm sorry if you guys are seeing way too much Macart. Not to mention, every single video though that I do film always has a Macart item in it, because the tips that I always use in my videos are from Macart. They're my favorite tips. So if you guys ever wondered what kind of tips I'm using, they are from Macart. And I always use the size medium. So I take the medium sizes because they're the sizes I always wear. So I always try and do nails that fit me in case I end up wanting to wear them. So now that the first layer has been applied on the press-on nails, I am showing you guys that gorgeous glitter, and I feel like the camera is not at all giving it justice. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so reflective. The rainbow just looks so perfect. So I decided to put the pinky to be the full glitter like nail. So before curing the whole set, I'm just popping the glitter onto that uncured gel and just sprinkle it on with my little tool. And then once I'm happy, I'm just going to tap it away, and then I'm going to pop the whole set into the lamp. So this is what it's looking like. I really wish you guys could see the glitter, how it kind of like looks like in real life, because I really feel like the camera never gives it justice. It looks gorgeous. It's honestly so sparkly. I love how sparkly this whole set is. And it's kind of giving me almost like New Year's kind of vibes, just because of how sparkly it became at the end. So maybe it's not the right time of the year to be doing this kind of set, but I just really wanted to use that glitter, and I've got like 50 grams of it, so that's going to literally last me forever, unless I end up doing it for like press-on nails and stuff. But in today's video right now, we're only using it for the video, so it will last me forever. So right now I'm going with my second layer of the base colors, so another 2 layers of the white and another 2 layers of the black. We're going to pop that on there, and then after that we can start working a bit more on our nail art design. So as a head start, the index finger will be having some crystals, and I've recently been quite obsessed with the way I'm about to place the crystals down. I'm not sure if that's the thing I'm going to be working on next. Oh no, okay, it's the foil. So I'll get back to the crystals in a moment then. So let's talk about the foil. So I decided to have the ring finger as the foil nail. So I'm using my Macart foil gluey gel thing. I'm just applying it on the instructions. It always says to pop it into the lamp for at least a minute, so I always make sure to do that, because I just want to make sure that it works well, especially in today's foil that we'll be using, which was a massive pain. But before we pop the whole set into the lamp, I am now applying a glossy top coat on the middle finger and also the thumb. And that's because we're kind of topping that one off. We will be applying some glitter to that one, but it will be like kind of sugary effect on it, and it won't be the whole nail that will need the glitter. So I usually like to top coat it, whether it's glossy or matte, just so that the sticky layer doesn't end up sticking with the glitter where I don't want it. I hope that makes sense. If you guys do nails, you know what I mean. It just gets stuck everywhere. If you don't want to do it that way, you could also wipe the nail with the nail cleaner wipes and stuff. and that way it also won't be sticky, but I just prefer to top coat it, just have it over and done with. So I left the finger that's going to have the crystals, which is that index finger, and I'm showing you guys the crystals in my little pot. So now I decided to just pop them into the pot so you guys can see beforehand kind of what I'm going to be achieving, and it also helps me when it comes to filming these videos, because I don't have to faff about trying to find the correct sizes and stuff. It's ready to go. So it has become my most favorite crystal placement ever. I'm not sure why. It is very simple in my opinion, but it's just the way it looks. I'm absolutely obsessed. So I'm using this teardroplet crystal, followed by a big circular crystal, followed by this long, like a thin long crystal, and then followed by a smaller circular crystal. So it's all very simple, very like nothing crazy. And then just to add the extra little hint to it, I decided to do 2 smaller crystals on either side of that teardroplet right at the bottom. So right there where I'm popping the gem glue right now, that's where I'm going to pop 2 extra crystals, and I believe one is bigger and the other one is smaller. So the bigger one will go at the bottom on one side, followed by a smaller one at the top. And I just feel like it just looks so nice. I don't know, in person I'm just obsessed with it. I think this is like the 2nd or 3rd kind of nail design where I've used this exact kind of crystal placement. I should probably start working on my crystal placement because I feel like it's still so basic, but I really like the way it came out. I hope you guys liked it too. Here I'm showing you guys the foil that I'll be using, and it's one of those foils where it's just a massive pain because it's a foil that goes across the whole nail, so much can go wrong. The whole foil could just not like stick on, and the moment one area doesn't stick, it just ruins the whole nail. So that's pretty much exactly what happened in this nail design. I didn't use any tools, I don't believe, which could be my little mistake. But I'm not sure if I've shown, but the other hand I did actually came out better than the one I'm recording, so the foil transferred so much better. But yeah, they're just so much harder to work with if you're trying to get it across the whole nail. It's just a lot of work, but it's a bit of a shame. If it did came out how it should have, it would have been so cool looking, but unfortunately because it isn't fully perfect, it is bothering me. But I still wanted to show you guys this nail design because I really liked how it looked with the glitters and everything. But yeah, so a tip, do work a lot on your nails when it's a full like cover foil nail kind of situation going on. Do try and work really hard on those because they do always end up looking so nice if they're done properly. The moment there's a bit missing, it just ruins the whole look. So and I'm sure you guys will realize that when I pull the whole thing off. There wasn't too much, it was just gaps here and there, and also where areas were where the foil didn't stick. When I tried to push it back down to rub it again, sometimes it almost felt like the foil slid and it wouldn't go down the way I wanted it, well, the way it was. Oh, sorry, I can't even talk today, but it just never went down the way I wanted it to go. So bits would transfer in an area where it shouldn't be, and it was just a big mess, to be honest, a big mess. So yeah, so it was trying to do a lot of work on your nails. Don't rush it like I was clearly rushing it. But other than that, I really like the foil. It's one of those foils where I kind of didn't know what to do with it when it first came. It's one of those, I got it in a whole pack. I'm pretty sure it's in one of my Shein hauls. But yeah, I'm really excited I could use that in today's video and incorporate it into the set. I feel like it looks quite nice, not gonna lie. So there was a big chunk, and then it fell off my stand. It was just a big mess. I'm so sorry, guys. It was a big mess. A big mess. But yeah, I'm just going to put it off. And then for the middle finger, we've top coated the fingers and we will be applying some glitter. So what I decided to do is get my nail art brush and then apply the black on the middle of the finger, and then basically like draw out a French tip. And then with the French tip, I will be applying some glitter, which will be cool. And then for the thumb, we're going to have like a slanted half French tip thing going on. Here I'm showing you guys the other finger that I did where it came out better. So I'm not sure what happened with my camera, but suddenly we cut to this scene. So we're on the thumb right now, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I am doing that half French kind of thing going on. Oh, and then we hopped again, and then now we're on the middle finger with that French tip. I think I was running out of memory, so I'm so sorry guys about the confusion at the end here. I'm confused myself, to be honest. So what just happened? So that's going to be the middle finger, that one there. And I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure if you saw the thumb. But yeah, so here's the thumb. So it's only going to be on the half the nail. There we go, here's the final results. Sorry about the confusion at the end. I hope you guys liked this video nevertheless. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.